Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Still Brian. I was what? I told you in my previous video that our previous video was about PowerPoint, and I promised you a video of master slide where I'll explain for you the other features in PowerPoint. So this is the video. I hope you continue liking, subscribing, and commenting. Thank you for everyone who has already done so, but don't forget to view the videos, like them, and comment. So for today, I had a presentation I had prepared earlier. And this is my short presentation of just 3 slides. So using master slide, the master slide is simple, is easy to use, and usually a master slide is used to format the whole document at once. You don't have to go one slide to another, applying all the different the formatting. So you can you can format everything at once. So we can go, if you want master slide, usually go to view. In view, there is here I find slide master, that, and then notes. So you go to slide master. So usually when you just click on slide master, they will bring you to this slide, yeah? But you realize that this is not the utmost first slide. So if you formatted this, it will only format your first slide, yeah? That title slide. So usually you have to go back up and click on this slide numbered 1. So you have to go in this one, which is numbered 1, yeah? So when you go here, you now can apply any editing and formatting you want. If you want to format all your titles in all the documents, you come here, you click on this, you highlight this there. When you finish highlighting it, you can now go to home and you apply any font you want. So I told you most of these things are the same as one in Word. So you can apply anything you want. You can now change even the size of this. You can change its color. You can apply anything you want. Yeah? But now I'm sure we are all good with this. Yeah? You can come here, you decide to justify everything there. So you can come to Word and format the way you want. You can come and insert all the other things. So today I wanted to mainly look at transitions and animations, because these are the ones we didn't find in Word, we didn't find them in Excel. So I want to look at transitions and words. Have you seen in presentation someone is presenting and he's done with a given slide, then maybe it opens as a book or it dissolves, or that editing that occurs at that point when you're transitioning from one slide to another. This is where we get it from in transitions, and there are very many of them. You can come here and then you will see that there are very many. So you can come and select any, but usually it is advisable if you're presenting to an official audience in a conference. It's usually advisable to just put a simple transition. You can come and just say cover, and they will show you how it will happen. See, just move from this to the other one. That's enough. And if you apply it on this, it will apply on all the other slides. Usually, if you're not in slide master, you'll have to use, if you want to apply one transition and use it on all of them, you come to apply to all, then you'll have to click here. If you click on it, if you are not in slide master and you are just in any slide and you applied a transition on one slide, you can just come and apply to all, and it will apply to all the other slides. But since it's in master slide, you can just apply to this first slide, and then it will automatically apply to all the other slides in your presentation. Then for animations, usually this is like editing the data. So all you have to do is come and select the section with the data that you want to apply an animation to. Have you like seen when someone's presenting, then the title comes floating in, only the title comes floating in, then when he selects first point comes, second point comes. That's what happens in animations. So here I select this. When I select this, I can apply to it any animation I want. I can be like spin. So if I say spin, that's what will happen to the title. emphasis animation. For animations, there are different forms. Yeah? There are interest, there are emphasis, and they are what? They are exit. They are different because during the presentation you want to emphasize something. So let's say for this one, I want to put an interest. Yeah? I'll just come here and I go to the interest section. Or if this is not enough, I can come here to more interest effects and then I select it. Then you can come and select any. Usually, if it's kid, youth, usually they like the flip that flips one by one and they come, then they select what you want to come to. Okay, then you can come to this. If you want to emphasize your points, you can just come to what? Come here. There is emphasis here, but you can come to more emphasis effects. When you come to more emphasis effects, you can come here and select any you want. Exciting, you have the wave, you have the blink, you have the bold reveal. You can come and select the wave and you will see that it will everything will be waved. Then you come and click on OK. Then you can format it any way you want. I can apply any background I want. I can come and add any background I want. Yeah? So if you're using an older version of PowerPoint, usually you will have here a feature called what? Called design, of which I'm seeing that is not applicable here. Actually, usually in master slide, in master slide they usually don't put the design. What you can do in master slide is, if at all you didn't want to add a design, you just wanted to format the background, you'll come and right click here, then you come to format background. Then they'll bring you this. Now you can select from here what you want to put. You can put a pattern fill, a picture, anything you want. I can come and select a picture background. When I select a picture background and I can come to insert, then they will bring me here. From here I can come and select a picture from anywhere. I can go online and when I'm online, it's still loading. I will select any picture I want. So since I'm looking at my presentation as a web ranger book and the products were Excel, that thing, I can come here and I look for stationery. Stationery. Now, so they will bring me this. I can now select any of these. I can select this and I insert. When I insert that, it will come and fill in as my what? As my background. And after you inserting that, there are very many things here. If you look in this corner, there are different ways you can edit it. Yeah? You can come and you come to the texture. When you come to the texture, you can select any texture you want. You can do that, all that menu, and apply it all, and it's good. So when you're done with editing everything, you can just come back to slide master here and you close master view. Now you realize that in all my all my having the edits I put, look at all my titles and everything. So I'm hoping you've learned something on how to make presentations using PowerPoint. You've learned about how to edit everything at once using PowerPoint, using master slide. So I'm still Brian Jabuk, and I hope you continue liking, subscribing, and commenting to my YouTube videos, watching them. Don't forget to hit the bell like button so that every time I upload a video you can get notified. Thank you very much.